Presenting the Swimmer's Sidekick Lightning Talk for customers, the Children's Miracle Making Club, RIT Swim Team, and any other swimmer looking to improve in the pool. Dylan, Zach, and Tarun, the electrical engineers, were tasked with sensor integration and electrical analysis, while Mekis, Spencer, and Kyle were tasked with data processing, waterproofing, and air mitigation. The device is made up by an Adafruit IMU, Arduino Nano microcontroller, rechargeable USB-C battery, and SD card reader. The IMU is capable of providing data on acceleration, angular velocity, absolute orientation, and rotation, all of which were used for computations later on. All of these components are housed snugly in a 3D printed chassis. The chassis is placed inside a waterproof case and then ultimately a sleeve to be worn in the pool. The device is powered on via the prime power switch on top. Power on the device and then see the green light on the Arduino. The chassis housing all the components, once powered on, can then be inserted into the waterproof case and then the sleeve, as seen in the video. Be sure to insert the device with the button facing away from the zipper, as this is what will be used to start and stop the data collection. Once the device is on your wrist, locate the data collect button and press it right before you're about to begin your swim. As you swim, the IMU will collect all your important movement data, which will be post-processed by the GUI later on. To stop the data recording, press the button once you're out of the pool and begin to remove the chassis from the waterproof case. Once your swim is done, remove the SD card from the SD card reader in the chassis and insert it into your laptop or PC of choice. Open the GUI executable from your desktop and type in the name of the swimmer. Then press Update and then navigate to wherever you are storing the data from the SD card you just inserted into your laptop. Once this data is loaded, press Calculate Arm Data and you will see the current number of swims under the swimmer's name update. In this case, it goes from 0 to 1. You can then type the exact swim you want to analyze and press Load. The GUI runs a series of scripts to put the raw data through filters which rid the data of any high-frequency noise, and code to calculate the peak and average acceleration, tempo, and strokes. This information is then displayed on the screen, as well as some plots to accompany the data.